waste, waste, and waste. There are about 14,000 tons of waste disposed at landfill every day. Solid waste problem becomes a major environmental problem in Hong Kong. The 3 remaining landfills are expected to be saturated before 2018 one by one. In view of this, government has been strongly supporting the construction of integrated waste management facilities, which is planned to be completed on artificial island near Shek Kwu Chau by 2018. After construction, they can handle about 3,000 tons of waste per day. However, before the facilities are built, the tremendous waste disposal cannot be reduced, so the plan still cannot help postponing the saturation of the 3 landfills. Besides, the cost of construction and running fee is quite high as well, which is about $15 billion in money of the day and $1,000 per ton of waste respectively. Furthermore, although it can treat tons of waste a day, it cannot help solving the root waste problem in the long run. That is the increasing waste production with increasing population in Hong Kong. Therefore, the integrated waste management facilities may not be effective enough to solve the impending solid waste crisis. To solve the root waste problem, government should reduce waste at source by launching municipal waste charging scheme. In this scheme, like Taipei, quantity-based charging system can be used. People may need to buy the suitable size of designated bag for the garbage. The more waste that people produce, the more they need to pay for larger garbage bags. Consequently, it can drive people to produce less waste as economic means if they wish to reduce outcome of waste charging. Take Korea as example. After the implementation of waste charging, the amount of daily waste disposal greatly decreased from 50,000 to 27,000 tons. The number of incinerators even decreased from 9 to 4 as well. So, likewise, municipal waste charging is a possible solution to tackle the radical waste crisis in Hong Kong. Some may argue that it may increase economic burden of the poor who may not be able to afford the extra outcome. Besides, catering trades that produce large amount of food and solid waste may also have greater economic burden, which may be transferred back to all citizens in Hong Kong. Therefore, people may think it is infeasible to implement waste charging under economic concerns. However, the economic burden in fact can be greatly reduced if people actively recycle materials. Moreover, launching recycling reward scheme for supporting the waste charging is possible to minimize the economic burden too. In recycling reward scheme, people can bring their food and recyclable waste to recycling center and receive rewards like coupons for designated garbage bag, food, and even cash. As the result, not only the public can dump less recyclable waste and be motivated to participate in recycling, the reward may also reduce the economic burdens brought by the waste charging scheme. On the other hand, the fee for waste charging can actually be reduced by government if the scheme is well processed. Like Taiwan, people originally had to pay $36 each month, but after 10 years, with significant reduction of waste disposed, people can enjoy reward of lower waste charges, only $13 per month. Therefore, as long as everyone participates in waste reduction and recycling, they can be able to overcome the waste crisis together with the lower economic burdens. The waste charging scheme is only a measure to force people to reduce waste production, while the recycling reward scheme acts as motivation to improve the recovery rate in Hong Kong. These two methods seem to be far more effective than building integrated waste management facilities. So, can we pass the waste crisis before the landfills are saturated? Maybe government should think more on how to reduce waste at source forestly.